What happens to your body when you eat lentils every day? Eating lentils every day can usher in a range of positive changes to your body due to their impressive nutritional profile. Let's delve into what happens when you make lentils a daily staple in your diet. Nutrient powerhouse. 1. Protein punch. Lentils are rich in plant-based protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. 2. Fiber boost. Lentils are a great source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion, preventing constipation, and promoting a healthy gut. Heart health. 3. Heart-friendly. The high fiber content in lentils can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 4. Blood pressure regulation. Lentils are a good source of potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and support cardiovascular health. Steady blood sugar. 5. Low glycemic index. Lentils have a low glycemic index, which means they cause a gradual rise in blood sugar levels, providing sustained energy and aiding in diabetes management. Weight management. 6. Satiety. The combination of protein and fiber in lentils can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially aiding in weight management. Nutrient diversity. 7. Vitamins and minerals. Lentils provide essential nutrients like folate, iron, magnesium, and zinc, supporting various bodily functions. Digestive health. 8. Prebiotic properties. The fiber in lentils acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Incorporating lentils. Soups and stews. Lentils are a perfect addition to hearty soups and stews, providing texture, flavor, and nutrition. Salads. Add cooked lentils to salads for an extra boost of protein and fiber. Considerations. Flatulence. Some individuals may experience increased gas production when consuming lentils. Gradually increase your intake to allow your digestive system to adjust. Antinutrients. Lentils contain compounds called antinutrients that can interfere with nutrient absorption. Cooking or soaking them can reduce these compounds. Consult a professional. Before making significant dietary changes, particularly if you have specific health conditions or dietary restrictions, consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Incorporating lentils into your daily diet can offer a myriad of health benefits, from improved digestion and heart health to steady blood sugar levels and weight management. However, as with any dietary change, moderation is key. By incorporating lentils alongside a variety of other nutrient-rich foods, you can harness their potential advantages for your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.